ERPs, guys. The main thing is that, okay, first first 10 minutes we'll talk about that what is the ERP and how it is useful. Then we'll go to that what is that technically what we are going to do exactly. Okay. ERP, actually using this ERP, it's a complete solution for that one company. Just example, you can take that one ERP. Okay, this is one ERP, like our Dynamics 365, and a client having the different businesses are there. Okay, like client having different businesses, like okay, suppose he have a factory is there and grocery store, jewelry, mining related, and software company also. The client having the different businesses are there. Okay, so just assume, guys, without ERP, he needs to track his accountings. Okay, what are the common for that all these businesses? Even software or factory, grocery store, jewelry, mining. What are the common things is there? First, we need the vendors, correct? Vendors is nothing but whom we are getting the raw products. Let's say example, laptop, you can take laptop and the different companies are there. Okay, I have a laptop shop is there. I'm selling the laptops. My vendors are the HP, Lenovo, Dell. These are the vendors. I will purchase from them. Then I add my percentage and I sell to whom I need to sell, customers, right? Vendor
Yes,
is
sir.
a provider. Yeah, we are going to sell to the customers. Then suppose in my shop I need some helpers also is required, even software, if software company you can take the HRs, managers, project managers and delivery leads, associate consultant, architect, so many is there. How we are operating with all of them, who is the POC for them? First initial is the HR, right? HR is
Yes, sir.
recruiting and he is deployed into that different teams. The same way here, factory also HR is required. Grocery shop, maybe it's a big, then HR team is there. Like grocery store, you can take the D Mart or Reliance, then definitely HR people also is there. And jewelry is also HR is there. And mining department also is there. And after, then what is required? I need to store. Suppose you can take that my laptop store. I need to store my laptops, right? I need the shop. Suppose my business is growing, then I need to establish a new branch, or else I need to take the warehouse. Okay, if you go to the shop, suppose you are asking a one book, Dynamics 365 book is there, or else you can go to the one grocery store. You are asking for the some item. That time the owner shop owner is tell, okay, sir, please wait for 5 minutes. Now currently it's not in shop. My boy will go and pick from that the warehouse. That means it's a godown. They can call it as our local language, right? Have you faced this type of situation? So this type of warehouse also is required. And what we are selling, that is the items, right? Suppose if it is in the software terminology or ERP terminology, we can call it as a item. Laptop, in the laptop is a one product. In that laptop, sorry, it's a laptop is a parent and Dell is a one product. In the Dell, what are the items? That means is the Inspiron, like that the models is available. So minimum things. And the main thing is the finance. Why finance is required? to process the salaries to that employees and to get that what is our company is in the profit or loss. These are the minimum things. Guys, you can take that at least one small business, they're establishing a 1 lakh or 50,000 business. Without these things, is the business will work? Hello?
No.
No, right?
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
because these are the common things. Now, coming to the point, if we take that ERP and customers having the customer having the different businesses, and he wants to maintain accounts through his software, means one software, he approached one company, they're saying that different technologies like .NET, Java, or PHP, what are the development technologies are available. They're saying, is if I plan to go to the .NET, is it ready with the first day onwards?
No.
No, because we need to take the requirements and understand the client business, and designing and Photoshop knows person also is required to design the websites and all those things. Okay, minimum to minimum, the minimum phase one, it releases, it takes to 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 1 year. So if you go to that, the fresh product means it's a development technology. But coming to that our ERP, the first day onwards, when first day onwards, sorry guys, I need to write it here. First day onwards, it's ready to use, because who are the vendor of this ERP? Our case is the Microsoft. They already implemented the minimum functionality to run the business from first day onwards. They already included it. Now you got it. What is the ERP?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone, guys, is it clear? Yeah. So the first day onwards, it's ready to use. Then the next question you can ask me, but what is our job? Why they are recruiting? Because the vendor only is giving that all these things, but why they are recruiting us? How the jobs are increasing? Okay, means it's the jobs are burning to the recruiters. So, see, guys, every ERP they may be suitable with the any business. Some business is to suitable for 60 percentage, some business is suitable 90 percentage, and some business is 100 percentage, some business is only 20 percentage. What are the remaining percentages? Suppose I have purchased this one, this Dynamics 365 ERP, and it is suitable for the only 60% of the my business. What is the remaining 40% I need to do? I need to go for that customization
Customization.
or implementation. What is the implementation? What is the customization? See, it's a very simple. Implementation is nothing but from scratch onwards, we are going to implementing the one new functionality. That functionality is not available in that our Dynamics 365. That functionality we are going to implement. Means it's the from scratch onwards. Customization is nothing but that functionality is available. Now we are going to add some extra features. See, guys, I will give the one real example. Suppose if the festival season is if it's coming, then we can go to that clothes store to purchase the cloth. Right? We have two options. One is that cloth materials, and second one is the ready-made cloth materials. It will time taking process because we need to purchase it. After purchasing, we need to go to that tailor and provide our measurements and waiting for that 1 week or 10 days or 15 days time. That is the implementation from scratch level words. Customization is nothing but it's ready to use and ready made, but sometimes it's based on our height we are going to adjust. That is called customization. Guys, understand the implementation and customization difference?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So here we are doing the customizations or implementation. How we are going to be customization? So we are using here the coding technologies, the H++, our language. Okay, like if you know the C++ or .NET or Java, any whoop related. Okay, any whoops. Whoops is nothing but object-oriented programming concepts. Okay, if you know the whoops language, you can easily understand the this H++ language. It's a very easy, guys, compared to other technologies. It's a very easy, and here no need to go with that connection, establish a ODBC JDBC connection, because here those things is not there. Directly the database tables we can able to access in the our Visual Studio IDE. Okay, the coding where we are going to write the code, we are writing the code in the Visual Studio. Okay, Visual Studio IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. So we are going to do the customizations. Now, coming to the point of now you got the what is the ERP and why we are using, and what is the customization and implementation. Now, what are the roles is available here? Suppose you got the job in Dynamics. What type of role? You will get that consultant role, not the software engineer, senior software engineer. No, here consultant, senior consultant, okay, lead consultant. Like what is the consultant? Is because we are directly interacting with the business. So we have a two types of consultants are there. One is the functional, and second one is the technical consultant. Where comes under the technical consultants. Okay, what are the functional consultant will do? We'll talk about the 5 minutes job here. So these function consultant actually what they will do. So these people having the business knowledge is there. Okay, business knowledge is nothing but ERP knowledge is there. In the functional, lot of modules are there. Suppose if it is SCM consultant is different, finance consultant is different, warehouse consultant, and procurement consultant, HR consultant, like this different consultants are there. So let's talk about that one consultant, SCM consultant, supply chain management. He have that knowledge of the SCM, and our company got that one project related to SCM. Then the project manager identifies who have that SCM depth knowledge. Then he needs to go to that client place, or else he will directly set up a call with that client and understand the client business, how they are operating. Okay, once he understand, he is prepare the document, one document called functional design document. Okay, functional design document FDD, but the client is providing him is that is the BRD document, business requirement document. Client will provide the BRD, because in the BRD what is the business and everything, the terminology is different, is the business terminology is there. So our functional consultant understand the BRD document. He implemented the one document called FDD document, functional design document. This functional design document, what it contains, after understanding the client business, what it is missing in the standard product. Means it's the Dynamics 365 product. We discussed it, right? 60%, 90%. So what it is missing, that missing he can mention into that FDD. So after missing, how we are going to be merged with that the new implementation or new customization with the standard product and fulfill that customer business to operate that 100% of the business he mentioned in the FDD. So this entire process we can call it as a gap analysis, because our functional consultant is identifying the what is the gap. So this process we can call it as a gap analysis. Once that FDD is ready, then our technical people will come to the picture. In the technical, we are going to be understand the FDD. If you are not understand the FDD, Then we can set up a call with that our internal function consultant. We have any doubts or clarifications or add any extra things, we can inform them. If he is okay, then he will give the green signal to write the code. Okay, once they understand the FDD, our technical consultant also will prepare that one document called TDD, technical design document. Once the TDD is approved by your solution architect, okay, SA is nothing but solution architect, then we are going to do the coding in the H++ and fulfill that gap. This is the exactly process is happening into the real time. Guys, any questions till now?
No, sir.
No, right. So now we don't want to waste our time directly going to that environment. So I'm going to share my other screen. Yes. Yeah. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
See, guys, this is our Dynamics 365 URL, and this is the home page. Here, a lot of modules are there. If you see accounts payable module, account receivable, see lot of modules are there. These all are coming from the standard product. Standard product is nothing but just I purchase it from the Microsoft. Let's say example our real example. Suppose I have purchased a one mobile. In the mobile, when I start it, what are the pre-built apps are there? That is called standard. Then latter point of view, I am going to install my contacts and what are the apps I require my business or office work purpose. That is what I'm going to do the customizing that thing, theme customization, font customization like that. So these are that modules. Suppose if you accounts payable module is talking about that are all vendors, purchase orders, this thing. And account receivables, it's talk about that a customer sales orders like this. I told right HR related human resource who are the workers, contractors, employers, and their thing. And time and attendance also is there. Here they can talk about that their attendance, approve, leave approval, all those things. Like if it is a go to the general ledger, here that a bank related information, payroll related, payroll also we have a module called payroll is there. Yeah, payroll information like this, all the modules are available. But here what we are going to do, suppose let's say example, if you can go to the accounts payable module, you can go to that any one thing, any one menu item, all vendors. I am going to opening the vendors. Who are the vendors of my business? That form I am opening. See, this is the vendor. Let's say example, I want the information. What is the customization? Let's say here vendor account name is there, vendor address is not here, and vendor email address also is not here. My customer is asking to please, could you please add to that customer address of vendor account? Or when I click on this one, okay, it will navigate to that email address or directly sending, or else when I click on this one, please could you please provide a one button here. When I click on that button, automatically it will open that mail pop-up to open, send a email to the customer. Or else what are the recent transactions I did from this vendor, means where 10 laptops or 20 laptops, what are the latest transactions like this. Okay guys, here also we can see because these are all the standard recent activity. Okay, there is no activity like these type of customizations we are going to do. Already the product is available, we are going to be do the customization. Suppose if it is the implementation is nothing but we can implement a one new form here. Okay, like that is called implementation. Because just I'm giving the example, that is not the correct example. Implementation is the new module. Along with that we can communicate with that existing modules. Okay, these are the customizations we are going to do. And in this is the Visual Studio. Here we are writing the code, guys. Visual Studio, we can create that project and writing the code and deploy the thing. And Application Explorer is here is a very important one. Here this is the AOT. AOT full form is the application object tree. And what are the components here? These components we are going to work. And if you have the components is not important for that. Means not important means it's rarely we are using those components. We can skip that one. See here in the data model tables, extensions, all those things we are going to work on this one. Suppose if we go to that menu items, see what are the front end we are seeing the menus. The same menus here it is accounts payable, account receivables. These menus are available here. Once you have changed it here, then automatically after build it will appear here. Okay, I will show to you once where the regular classes is continued. Then we can see. And this is the syllabus, guys, day wise. But don't think day wise we are discussing this thing day to this one. Just dividing this based on that day wise. But sometimes we can learn that this is the date and this is we are going to learn the day 15 or like that. Okay, this is the syllabus, and each and every topic is completes. We can maintain a one Excel sheet from this batch onwards, and what is we are discussing today, and the topic is complete or incomplete or anything is pending like this, we status will maintain it, because we need also track that our syllabus. If it is if I miss any topic, then also we can easily track it. Then last day you can tell Mr. Amar, you missed this topic, could you please provide? Then you can ask me that thing also. Okay, hope you all got that this syllabus. If you not got it, uh, then please let me know. I have shared that one link, guys. Uh, Again, I'm going to share this link. Please fill this form. Then you will get that the syllabus and documents, everything. So I'm going to providing that these are the course materials. Here we are providing the Microsoft materials, and few of the white papers, few of the methods and cookbook, and a lot of things are there. Once the regular classes is there, then I will explain that how we are going to be start that. What is the best to start? What is the initial step? Those things I will discuss. Guys, any clarifications or any doubts till now?
Sir, I have one small doubt. Okay,
Yeah,
so after joining this class, okay, if you are trying to, work on the same, same module, so do we get any environment support?
yeah. I will come to the point. Yeah. Is there any other doubts? I will discuss that thing anyway. Installation part is there. Okay. See, guys, how you for your lab. Okay, first you should having that the configuration of that SSD hard disk of 500 GB or 250 also it's fine, and Core i5 or later processor, RAM 8 GB or 16 GB. Okay, these are the configurations you should have. And what about the installation? So we'll give that one network admin number. Okay, this is a separate cost, guys. The
Okay.
he will charge it. This is a separate cost, and he will install into your missions. Who are going to ready to join? Okay, please ping me, or you can contact the your coordinator. You can install it before Monday, because once that lab is started, then you decided in that Monday 2 3 labs are is going on. Then again you need to practice the previous labs. So, and what are the class timings? Guys, now the class timings is the 9 to 10 a.m. IST. Is that fine?
Mm,
I have a two batch timings is there. One is that 7 to 8 a.m. and the second one is the 9 to 10.
yeah,
Which
sure, sir.
one is
9 to 10.
prefer? 9 to 10.
Yes, 9
Is
to 10.
everyone?
Yeah.
Martins, Asha, Shilpa, Infant. Okay, Abhishek.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So 9 to 10 batch will start. Okay. And what are the things we can get it from my class? So daily recording. It's only read only, guys, and it's a lifetime access. Okay, you will never lose that recording access and a soft copy of materials. Then every Saturday we have a virtual lab session. Is there? Virtual lab in the sense, what are the topics we have discussed past? Means is the yesterday or else 1 month back also. What is the if you are facing the issue while doing the lab, then will you can share your screen, show me that why what is the error, then I resolve that error. But it is not particularly in the Saturday. Every day also, if it is urgent basis, we can connect with. But Saturday is the completely lab. If you don't have any questions or related lab, then we can continue the class. Okay, and it's a daily 1 hour, guys. It's a total 45 hours. Because don't think about the 45 hours means I will get that 45 videos. Sometimes if it is a class is trying to 2 hour session, that time videos may decrease also. Okay, sometimes it is more than 45 videos also. It's a depends upon that our discussions and going on. Okay, then next what? Yeah, and extra I'm providing in this topic because in the syllabus is not there. Then I will discuss about the Azure DevOps and version history, LCS. Okay, the basic things we are going to discuss about, because these are also very important. What is the LCS, life cycle services? What is the version history? And once that code is completed, how we are going to deploy that code into that further environments? Those things also we'll discuss into that last. And I will prepare your resume before going to that interviews. But resume preparation is a individual task, guys. Because if I tell to that resume preparation in that all of in front of all of you, all are maintaining the same roles and responsibilities. So who are going to that interview, they are correct with me as personally. Then I will prepare your resume. Okay, that's it, guys. This is Dynamics 365, and these are the things we are going to be get it. And the class timings, this one. And who are new to the programming, no worries. I'm going to teach that some basic to advanced programming. Means is how to declare a variable, what are the data types, how to write the calculation program. Then we are going to enter into that our H++ programming. Okay, no worries for that one. Yeah, that's it, guys, from my end. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you.